ohmathgad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be continuing working with the distributive property in algebraic expressions. But in this case, we're going to be seeing whenever we are doing multiplications with variables, right? So let's begin. So guys, the first thing you have to remember is actually the steps we saw on the last video, which I will be trying to link down below. So the first step is to multiply the terms outside the parentheses by every single term inside the parentheses, right? You have to remember that when you multiply, right, the number, for example, 6 times x, you write down 6 and x. But if you have a variable, so for example, x times y, you write xy. X times 2y, you multiply first the coefficients, so 1x times 2y, 1 times 2 is 2, and x times y is xy, right? Don't forget that. Now, remember guys, when multiplying, multiply the numbers and write down the letters one next to another. So a times b is ab. A times b times c is a, b, c. Okay, it's the same thing. Now let's tackle today's problem, which is going to be x times 8y minus 3h plus 2. Now guys, remember that x that is outside the parentheses is going to be multiplying every single term. So x times 8y is going to be 8xy. Why 8? Because you have to remember that there is an invisible 1 as the coefficient of x, right? So 1 times 8 is 8 and x times y is xy. X times minus 3h is minus 3xh. Or you can also write down hx. It's the same thing. Remember that the order of the factors doesn't affect the final result. And then we have the last one, x times plus 2 is going to be plus 2x, right? So another way in which we can write this is 8yx minus 3hx plus 2x. So remember, this is the same thing. The order of the factors doesn't really matter, right? So let's continue with the next one. In this case, we have minus 6x multiplying 5b minus 6. So guys, remember, whatever is outside the parentheses is going to multiply every single thing inside the parentheses. So 6x multiplying 5b, right? Negative times positive inside. Negative times positive is negative. 6 times 5 is 30. And x times b is xp or px. It doesn't really matter. Then we have minus 6x multiplying minus 6. So minus times minus, positive. 6 times 6 is 36. And x, because here we don't have any other letter. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So what if we have something like this? 2a times b plus 3c plus 7, right? So 2a times b, 2 times 1 is 2. A times b is ab. 2a times 3c. 2 times 3, 6. A times c, ac, or ca. Doesn't really matter, the order. 2a multiplied by plus 7 is plus 14, because 2 times 7 is 14, and a stays there. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So feel free to repeat these different exercises. Try doing them on your own, because remember, practicing is key. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!